Everyone moves differently, and a total hip replacement should be optimized to account for this. Current research suggests that the hip joint moves very differently from person to person. These hip movements directly affect the way your implants perform after your operation. Advanced technology now enables your hip replacement to be optimized. This is a unique process using medical imaging to capture the way in which your hip moves during everyday activities. This consists of 3 X-rays. One facing sideways, one sitting down and bending forward, and one stepping up. This will be followed by a low-dose CT scan. This information is then analyzed by a highly skilled biomedical engineering team using specialized software. This high-tech assessment provides information to establish your personalized implant position. Your surgeon then receives accurate information in a detailed report, as well as a 3D printed customized guide. With this guide and the use of a laser-targeted system, the surgeon is able to achieve your personalized implant position during your operation. A best fit requires personalized attention. Using proven implant technology in conjunction with personalized surgical planning, you can now have your hip replacement optimized for the way you move.